I have it mapped out what I'm gonna make at the end of 2021, what I plan to make at the end of 2022, 2023, 2024. I got it all mapped out so I know what success looks like.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Ty coming to y'all with my updated goals for 2022. Alright, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can come back and see me. My channel is all about making sure people are aware of the different avenues to get a piece of the pie. I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's Eve, and I hope you brought in the new year right. And since you're here, I know you're ready to get down to business, setting those goals so you can know what you want your portfolio or your portfolios to do in the year of 2022. All right, I did a video last year around this time, and I told you guys what my goals were for 2021, and I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all know I killed that goal. I outperformed that goal so much, I'm gonna be resetting some goals. So right now you're looking at the stock market portfolio, and I'm on Dividend watch. And I started out doing my portfolio on Robinhood, but I do Dividend watch so you can see the dividend growth and dividend income. So my average dividend yield on my portfolio is 2.87. So that's great. I'm trying to get almost to that 3. I think that would be a nice dividend yield for my overall portfolio. The annual dividend income is around $408 a year annually. So that's annual dividend income. So I make $408 for just letting my portfolio sit. I really think that's great because dividends are a great way to earn that passive income. All right, so that's what I mainly was doing heavily in 2021, acquiring a whole lot of dividend stocks and making sure that my portfolio was strong, because dividend stocks can help your portfolio stay strong regardless of what the overall market is doing. As long as you are in solid dividend companies and those companies are consistently increasing their dividend payouts, you're pretty much good. All right, so that's what I was doing. I knew that and I did that. So now I have a strong portfolio. Now that I have that strong portfolio, I might going into 2022. I already did. I'm picking up a few more growth stocks so I can get more out of my portfolio. All right, so this total portfolio percentage is 16.75 total return. That is a little, that's not really the total performance of the portfolio, because everybody know if you are consistently adding money to your positions and adding money to your portfolio, that total portfolio return is gonna change. Like if I dropped a large amount in it right now, that would go down because I just added money. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna remind you guys what my goals were. And this is my stock portfolio. So when you see the number is larger than this, because cryptocurrencies, altcoins, Ethereum, Bitcoin, AMP token, the Graph, Cosmos, those are not included in this. But if you watch my video, I had Robinhood and I had everything on Robinhood. So the number that I received last year was all on Robinhood because I had everything. Cryptos on Robinhood, I don't have my cryptocurrency on Robinhood at all anymore. On BlockFi. BlockFi is where I store my Ethereum, and I'm sitting pretty good in my Ethereum position. And the thing about BlockFi that I like is that you earn interest. So looking at this real quick, you see I earned $104 just for letting my crypto sit on BlockFi. So definitely check out BlockFi. And Coinbase. Coinbase is another place to store crypto and buy crypto. That's why I have a lot of my altcoins, well, all of my altcoins, like AMP, the Graph, Cosmos, AMP coin. I definitely got high hopes for AMP coin, and the Graph and Cosmos is a solid one too. You earn interest on Cosmos, Atom coin. All right, so you guys, if you can count it up, you saw, and right now crypto is down. And crypto is down really bad, but I went on and added the numbers up already, so we're gonna go look at it. But yeah, if I probably would have waited a day, my numbers would have been different. But let's go and look at these goals. So you guys just saw a bunch of my portfolios. This is a reveal, right? Portfolio reveal. But I mainly show this just to show you guys what investing can do. And I'm not a rich guy. I'm not doing this to brag or boast or just show how much money I earned or I'm making. I'm showing you how you can invest and earn some income. That's all. All right. So, and on a more personal reason for investing and what I want to do with my money once it grows is, my wife wants a bigger house. All right. Our house is already, okay, and it could be better. But I'm like, on my salary, how do I do that? How do I just, upscale my house besides, going to work, and maybe in 15 years, maybe we can do it, or refinancing your house and getting back in debt. My goal is to pay the next house off cash money. And I think I can do that with investing. All right. And it's just because, as a man of a house and as a father, you want to be able to provide your family with the best you can, and that's something that I'm going to do with my investing money once it get to a certain amount. So at some point, you guys are going to see my whole account go to zero, because I'm going to be moving on up like the Jeffersons, But anyway, that's one of my personal goals for my investing. That's why I put it out for 10 years. So we're done with the first 2 years of my investing. And as you guys can see, 2021 completed. I beat the goal out. The goal was to have $19,844. I ended this year with $25,810. And again, one of the main things that I didn't expect was the exponential growth that I got from cryptocurrency. I did not expect cryptocurrency to boom like that. And I'm on it now, and I know now. But not only cryptocurrency, but almost all of my stocks grew. They grew it exponentially, even some of my dividend stocks. So this could have been one of them bullish years, like people say, but I'm gonna take advantage of all the bullish years. So people talking about anybody can win from the stock market right now. It's a bull market. Okay, Aaron, let me get mine. I'm in there. So that's what I want you guys to take a look at too when you're setting your goals. Make sure you make them attainable, and that's what I did. I was new to investing, and I just wanted a humble 20% from the stock market, and I put in $5,200 a year. That's just $100 a week. All right, $100 a week. That's simple, easy, and I put it in a certain stock. So I put it in the account, and I just either invest. Most of the time I go ahead and invest, and I know what I'm gonna buy. But yeah, So with me beating out these goals so bad, you saw last year I beat it out. This year I beat it out. That's almost from 19,844. Sorry about that. From 12,220, which was my starting point. You guys can see where it says completed for 2020. So my starting point was that $12,220, and I ended with 25,810. That's 110% growth of a portfolio. So this little 20% I got up here, I think I could do a lot better than that. So I revised my goals, and I'm gonna show you guys what my goals look like now. But I revised my goals, and I'm no longer, I think this was too small for me. I know what I'm doing, and I think I've been beating it out 2 years back to back. I've been blowing my goals out the water, especially this year. So I'm revamping my goals, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like now. So this is my new investing 10-year goals. Alright, so I kept up there 2020 and 2021 so I can know, what I wanted to do and what I did. So I see my progress. Alright, so with these new goals, I want 40% from my portfolio, and I'm still gonna put 5,200 annually because that's all I can afford. And your boy got kids. I got kids, so I can't afford to really put more than that into investing. I'm gonna make sure I can still put that 5,200 because I did get a new edition. It might change up the dynamic just a little bit, but this is what I plan on doing for 2022. I want my investments to hit $41,334. All right, and I definitely think I can do it. Hopefully, if cryptocurrencies take off like I think they will, I might come back to the drawing board again at the end of next year and revamp it. But I'm not going to be banking solely on cryptocurrency because everybody knows cryptocurrency is still new. But hopefully cryptocurrency does wonderful as it's been doing, and my dividend stocks are also gonna keep making me money and be safe havens for my portfolio to stay strong. All right, so looking down this list, you guys can see I went on to add 2031 up here just so you can see that if this works and if my portfolio stays growing and I keep knocking things out of the park like I've been doing, just doing what I've been doing, by 2031 your boy would be a millionaire. And that's just for simple investing. That's not hoping something's gonna jump out tomorrow. Hopefully I can get to that million way before that, but this is just a sound investing plan. And I like to say I'm really blessed for learning this information, and I'm glad I learned how to invest, and I'm just showing you guys how you can too. I'm planning it out, and this right here is going to be my guide to tell me if I'm on the right track, if I'm successful with my investing, or if I need to go back to the drawing board, maybe figure something out, figure a different way of investing out. But yeah, I'm going a little harder next year and the years after because I'm seeing that I can get killer growth if I put my money in the right places, and if I just keep doing what I've been doing, I'm gonna knock it out the park. So yeah, these are my new goals, and this is what I set. I up my goals because I want to challenge myself, and I want to attain my goals. But at the same time, when you're knocking your goals out the park, you should switch your goals up, because maybe you could have attained a little more if you had that finish line put out just a little bit further. You would have been able probably to reach a little further. All right, so yeah, that's just my goals for 2022. I'm going harder in the paint, and make sure you guys set your goals up. I'm not a financial advisor, but it definitely helps. It definitely helps to have goals and see where you're going. Like, I love the fact that I got it written down, what I did for 2020, what I did for 2021. It makes me feel good that I'm right on time with my goals. All right. So again, Happy New Year to all, and let's make this money in 2022. All right. If you haven't started investing, go back, look at some of the videos I talk about, or drop it in the comments. Somebody can help you with investing, you know. Like I said, we're not financial advisors, but just being involved in it, being involved in investing can help you grow wealth. All right. So yeah, those are my goals for 2022. All right. I appreciate y'all checking me out. Make sure you come back and see me. All right. I always got plenty to talk about. Always. Peace.